Kain ulit tayo. Si Miss Mia, kakain na naman. Ayan po ang tinatawag na English breakfast. Meron po tayong bacon, sausages, mushroom, hash brown, and sunny upside down na egg dyan. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating kape. May extra bacon tayong in order, extra hash brown, extra sausage. Walang katapusang pagkain ngayon. How about you? Are you enjoying breakfast?
It's amazing.
Amazing. So what do you call this breakfast, Bora?
Full English breakfast.
Full English breakfast. So, kakain na naman tayo. Ay, meron pala tayo ditong baked beans.